What's up, everybody? Xavier Uso back again with another video. Right, guys, I got a $50 session. I got one of this $20 $250 million cash explosion, and that is at ticket number 20. And I got a $30 ultimate millions at ticket number 3. All right, start off with my favorite $20 ticket here in Arizona. Okay, all we're doing is a matching game. We find a stack of cash or a sack, $100 instantly, or that 20x, 20 times the prize. Overall odds is 1 in 3.09. All right, let's scratch my coin. Bismillah, guys. Starting off with Tots 15, 49ers, 42, number 6, red number is 32, 38, 27, 46, Pensionist is number 9, Jedi is 25, 18, Deuce, Blue Texas 12, 21, Sun City's 14, 35, Y50, 15, NYS 33, Miss Money's 3, number 1, 44 Club, 36, Dolls 4, 47. Alright, no money bag. Alright, let's go. Let's get a match. 31. One off. 13. We're gonna get Sun City's 14 and 12. Fat 40. Where you got our Y50. 41. No 41. Number 5, nope. Nope. Oh, Penny Cruise 11. And Coaches 16. All right. We got nothing. All right. Ultimate millions in a bonus area. And for 50 bursts to win, 100 bursts to win the prize, 500 bursts to win the prize. Bottom game, all we're doing is looking for that bill symbol for auto win. 100x, 100 times the prize. Ticket number 3, and odds is 1 in 2.53. All right, Bismillah, guys. Okay, starting off with Blue Texas 12, 42, 45, NYS 33, 21, number 5, 49, number 1, Jedi is 25, GQR is 29, number 3, no, Deuce, double deuces, 35 and 13, 18, runner is 32, Y50, 27, 17, 31, Uso Mizamanda's 23, 41, 20, 20, and 28. All right. Toss 15. Nope. 37. Negative. Toss 4. Nope. 38. 18 and 28. 36. 44. 47, 44, 45, 46, 47. All right. Okay, all we're looking for is burst. Come on, 50. Nope. Clover, nope. Ah. All right, guys. OMG. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys all on the next video. All right.